Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your Instagram's DM theme. Alright, so DM means messages in Instagram. Just like in Messenger you get messages, in Instagram that feature is called DMs. Alright, now Instagram didn't term this thing, many people call this DM. Alright, so the messaging term in Instagram is called DM. So let's say somebody messages you and you want to change the theme of that message. Well, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video. First step, you open Instagram and click on the messenger looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and this thing will open up. Now over here you want to go to the friends message where you want to change the theme. So let's say I want to change theme in Witchy Kevin's one. I can click on Witchy Kevin. So as you guys can see, this is not the default theme, this is the theme which I changed into. Alright, now if I want to change this theme into another theme, what I can do is click on Witchy Kevin at the top. You want to click on your friend's username, you are not going to get Witchy Kevin. Alright, so click on your friend's username at the top and it's gonna show you this setting. From over here you can see theme right below chat setting, the second option. Click on theme and these are all the theme provided by Instagram. Now you can choose whichever theme you want. So let's say I want the Stranger Things theme. I can click on it. Once I click on it, it should be changed. Now if I go back, as you guys can see, the theme has changed into Messenger theme, and it also shows you at the bottom you changed the chat theme to Stranger Things. Alright, and my friend Witchy Kevin will also get a notification that I changed the theme, and his theme is also going to be changed. And if Witchy Kevin changes the theme, my theme will also going to be changed. Alright, so that's how theme works in Instagram. So yeah, that's how you guys can change theme on your DM in Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.